Westermans here with some new stock which just arrived. 2-axis welding positioners, 3 ton, 2 ton and 1 ton. 3-axis welding positioners which come in 2 ton and 3 ton. This is the 3 ton here now we're looking at. There is the 2 ton. Like I say, 3-axis, great for getting the height when needed. Also arrived are some 300 kilo welding positioners with hole through and quick release chuck. Also a few sets of 10 ton, 20 ton and 30 ton rotators. Also 1 set of SAR rotators. 5 ton head and tail stock sitting at the back. As you can see, we've also got a range of used welding positioners up to 10 and 20 ton from Bogues, A&M plants, key plants, to name just a few. We also have coming to stock some 500 kilo positioners with power tilt. Some more positioners arriving. And there's Miko, the friendly guard dog. Hello, Miko. He doesn't look very happy today, but he's guarding the positioners. All these can be supplied with chucks, quick release, from 200 millimeters up to 600 is standard, and then we do some specials up to 1,000. More details can be seen on westermans.com, where you can request prices, all in stock, awaiting delivery. Thank you for looking.